Good morning, students. Welcome back to another lecture on Gray's Elegy. The applause of listening seniors to command, the threats of pain and ruin to despise. Yes. The poet wants to say that the rude forefathers of the villagers did not get opportunity. Their destiny did not permit them to do anything worth noticing in their lives. Otherwise, they could also have achieved name and fame. If, for example, some of them might have been gifted with different qualities, some of them might have might have the quality of a good speaker, good orator, and if they had got an opportunity to address a senate, भी बहुत से लोग हैं ये कहते हैं बहुत अच्छा स्पीकर है, तो अगर उन्हें भी मौका मिलता, they could have established themselves as a wonderful politician, a great statesman. They would have won the appreciation for their oratory, but they did not get opportunity. The threats of pain and ruin to despise. They would have treated with challenge. They would have challenged their enemies for their threats of destruction of any kind, to scatter plenty over a smiling land. They would have worked for the peace, happiness, and prosperity of their country, and their efforts in this direction would have been reflected in the looks of contentment and joy in the eyes of the nation, of the people, and read their history in the nation's eyes. The nation's eyes, in the joy, in the eyes of the people, in the contentment in the eyes of the people. They have read the results of their efforts, but they did not get opportunity. Their looked forward, nor circumscribed alone, but their destiny. Not only they lived a humble life, and their life was limited to a few humble activities. They did not get opportunity to develop, to grow their virtues. That is why, but they are looked forward, not circumscribed. Circumscribed, सीमित करना. They are growing virtues, but their crimes confined. Yes. Their destiny not only limited the growth of their virtues, which might have grown if they had got an opportunity. मौका मिलता तो वो वर्च्यूज जो ग्रो हो सकती थी, उनकी किस्मत ने न सिर्फ उनको सीमित कर दिया, their crimes confined, but at the same time they did not get any opportunity to do any wrongs to their natural, to their fellow human beings, to the society, to the nation. For wait through nation to wait through slaughter to a throne, and shut the gates of mercy on mankind. Their humble destiny did not allow them to commit any violence, to commit any crime, or fighting war, or inflicting cruelties on mankind in order to establish empire. If they had got an opportunity, it might have been possible for them to become tyrants and to cause bloodshed in order to gain a crown. Thus, the sphere of their life was too narrow, either to allow any great and noble deeds or to permit any crimes and cruelties. They did not get any opportunity to do any wrong. The struggling pangs of conscious truth to hide, to quench the blushes of ingenious nature. Yes, they did not have to fight within themselves. उन्हें अपने, देखिए संसार में एक कहावत है कि इंसान सबसे छुपा सकता है लेकिन अपने आप से नहीं छुपा सकता। अगर वो कुछ भी गलत करते तो कम से कम वो तो जानते, और वो जानते तो उनके मन में एक स्ट्रगल होता सही और गलत में, राइट एंड रॉन्ग। तो जो पेन है, पेन्स ऑफ कॉन्शियस ट्रूथ ऑफ विच दे वर कॉन्शियस, वो ट्रूथ जिसको कम तो वो जानते हैं, एंड दे हैड टू हाइड इट, छुपाना पड़ता। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मन में एक डायलमा, एक द्वंद्व चलता कि भले ही और नहीं जानते लेकिन वो जानते हैं कि उन्होंने जो किया है गलत है। टू क्वेंच द ब्लशेस ऑफ इंजीनियस शेम, क्वेंच दबाना, शांत करना, और उन्हें इंजीनियस शेम शर्म, स्वाभाविक, नेचुरल, और गलत करने के कारण, कुछ भी गलत करने के कारण जो स्वाभाविक एक शर्म की लालिमा होती है, उस लालिमा को उन्हें दबाना पड़ता है। और हीप द श्राइन ऑफ लग्जरी एंड प्राइड। हाँ, दे हैड टू यूज देयर टैलेंट, दे हैज टू यूज देयर वर्च्यूज to please others. Some powerful person who by his patronage shelter could bring them into notice. कुछ लोगों को खुश करने के लिए, जो उनकी हेल्प कर सकते थे, जो उनको शरण दे सकते थे, with incense kindle at the muse's flame इंस्पिरेशन, वो पोएटिक इंस्पिरेशन, वो डिवाइन गिफ्ट, वो नेचुरल वर्च्यू, वो उस डिवाइन गिफ्ट को दे कुड हैव यूज्ड टू वर्शिप मैन ऑफ पोजिशन, टू प्रेज देम। तो वो म्यूजिस फ्लेम, वो डिवाइन इंस्पिरेशन विच वॉज गिवन टू देम फॉर समथिंग एल्स, for using in a different direction in order to achieve someone's notice, in order to attract someone's attention, they could have used their divine inspiration to praise someone powerful, someone in a better position, someone in a prominent position, and thus you can say they wasting their talent. Thank you.